Hey, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Just wanted to let people know some new obvious developments have been happening this week, and it's only Monday. All right. For my membership, I posted up some video postings as well as some sample code of MATLAB Simulink trading models. They're out there. You'll find them. And code generated them into both C and C++. Not only that, I've got a walkthrough video of that, and again, that's only available for my members on the premium membership of quantlabs.net. Membership has its privileges, right? So, where do we go from there? Being in New York and in the last couple of weeks, people have been saying, what would be really cool, and it's pretty obvious, is to get a end-to-end trading model working. It doesn't have to be profitable. They just want to see something concrete that shows that this whole process works. So what I'm planning to do is to build a trading model using a very simple pairs trading. Nothing too significant. Might even break it down to a moving average, or I'm not sure yet. But the whole point of it is just to go through the exercise of creating a simulink model from the ground up, all done obviously in Simulink, and then maybe with no state flow. Maybe I'm not sure yet. It just depends. From there, break it up and then put that into Simulink. And then from there, code generate into C. Now, you're not hearing me say C++ because C is a much easier language to work with. The performance is the same, and we're just dealing with a very simple set of algorithms. We're not dealing with anything too crazy on inheritance and all that object-oriented programming stuff we just don't need. So that's what we're going to focus on, and then from there, be able to put it into a live trading system and run it through a simulated environment. So what we're going to be doing is building a basic strategy, obviously pairs trading, going from there, creating it within, again, as I said, Simulink, code generated into C, and then take that as a DLL and then import it into a live trading system. Now, people are going to think, well, I'll be using an open source trading system like TradeLink or something like that. As it stands right now, I've already alluded to what I'll probably be using. It is a commercial trading platform. It's pretty well one of the best trading. It is the best trading platform out there, bar none. I mean, nothing beats it. So once I've done this and get it into a live trading environment, including capturing real-time market data from IQ feeds, and then taking that model and then trying to emulate a set of signals so that it can send out signals and trades into a simulated trading environment like an interactive brokers, either through the fix of interactive brokers, which we may test, or might just do it through the simple TWS. Just depends upon this trading platform. So that's my next set of goals. Where then I'm going to work on two more strategies. So I have no idea how long this will take. It could take a week, it could take a day, it could take a month. Who knows? From there, once we get that working, we've got a more sophisticated pairs trading model that may get released to the public. It may not, or maybe I should reverse or just rewind a little bit and say it may get released to the Quant Labs premium membership. This could be something that may or may not happen. But the other strategy that we're working on is what we call a self-adapting strategy. What does that mean? Basically, it's going to do something that I like to call curve watching. So it's going to watch a time series in real time and then be able to adapt to run various trading techniques and be able to adapt to whatever analytical method that it thinks is the best, and then apply that to a like I said, a live trading system. Now, if anything I've seen out there in terms of trading strategies, I think this is one of the most sophisticated ways to do it. And it's one of the only things that I've seen ever out of any platform, out of any research trading algorithm tool I've seen out there. MATLAB is the only one that can do this. It's a unique toolbox. I've hinted to my membership what this will entail. This information will not go out into the public domain. Absolutely not, because this is one of the reasons why I do give my my premium membership exactly that, premium content that they can't find anywhere else. And I said this before about a month or two ago that we are entering into a stealth mode. Now, if this model or trading strategy does prove to be quite profitable, I'm not saying it will or it won't, but if it does have the potential, then we're dealing with something that is quite unique. Gives you a lot of trading edge. If that's the case, then that's going to have a huge impact on the membership and any new members coming into the membership. And I've already got some options that I'm playing with right now in terms of the current premium membership, as well as some other potential avenues for newcomers coming into the world of quantlabs.net. What we offer, we might start doing courseware material with some modules. We've got a lot of stuff out there already in the premium membership. A lot of stuff. We could probably do at least 10 courses from it. And not only that, but we, as I hinted this last week, is we may move into things like into data analytics. As I said, we're not trying to compete with news providers or data providers like Bloomberg or Reuters. I mean, these are very well established companies. It's not what we're trying to do. What we're trying to do is to be able to say, hey, here's our trading models that we use. Here's our trading platform that we use. So we offer that end to end. But not only that now, but we will be able to track in real time a lot of the data out there through the power of something like through the power of IQ feeds. So we'll be able to alert people in real time. Certain equities, maybe some forex, maybe even some futures. Who knows? I got to make sure I'm complying with all the licensing, of course, from places like IQ Feed and so on and so forth. But I really don't see how we're breaking that, because we're generating it off of models and strategies that we develop. So that will be a very powerful service for a lot of people that may want to watch the markets, but we're going to try to break it down in a simplistic form as possible. But the other powerful thing for these people is that we will be offering that type of technology and the know-how on how to learn it. Some of it won't be easy, as you can tell. But again, if it turns into something profitable, then that will be of value to a lot of people. So those are the options that we're kind of playing with right now. There's about 2 of us, maybe a third person coming on board to help out with this. So I'm hoping to get more content out there faster. And we are running it through a variety of people at the best in the business. Some are name brand people that we all know about, and if you know me, you probably know who I'm alluding to on that, as well as I've got some other people that are doing quite well for themselves, and they've helped allowed myself to bounce off code, to bounce off trading ideas with these people, and it's a very powerful set of people that I have access to, which is very rare, and a lot of them I'm quite happy and grateful that they've allowed to put themselves out there to provide these type of services. So it'll be vetted quite well. I don't know what else more to say, but there is going to be some pretty awesome stuff I'm hoping to come down the pipes. Yeah, I don't know. I'm pretty excited by it. Just being one day back at all this, I'm already pretty excited with what I'm banging out over the last few days. Or just the last few hours, I should say. And more stuff coming down the pipes, and especially with some of the videos I'm hoping to provide on this new platform that we're going to have access to. which is going to be an amazing, amazing addition to the arsenal that we'll have access to. Obviously being probably the only person on the, or company person or whatever service on the planet to provide these type of services. If we get the ability to present this, and maybe actually by the vendor themselves to be able to do a meetup on this, I think you'll be pretty well blown away on its capabilities. No different than we've had people just say amazing things about the new MATLAB features that we had last month regarding the production server as well as the trading toolbox. We've not only had that, but last month we also had Microsoft present Windows Server 2012. So there's lots of cool stuff happening, and hopefully you can stay in there and be part of something, I'm hoping, revolutionary for a lot of people. Talk to you later. Later. Oh, I'm not good at that. Anyways, have a good one.